Hello. Okay, testing everything's working. Let's do a quick video. I need to write tests. I've been doing a lot of these projects without tests. So let's do leaderboard.go. Okay, obviously I can't name that tests, and I believe you can run tests like this, like that, all in the same package. And we just write functions for testing. Test delta calculation, and it's like testing dot t test. I forgot the syntax. T for testing, and boom, and then we write our test here. But I do like having the specific one I learned from the boot.dev course. Primeagen likes the assertion test, which is like the assertion one. Pass an obvious testing object, and they do A, B, and equal. There's probably a bunch of ones. There exists empty, error is, eventually, fail now. So many good things. Super nice. Love it. I need to start writing more tests, because I'm such a trash dev. So, anyways, let me install this real quick. I don't know how do I install this? Please, like an external package. Oops. Is this the right one? Yeah. Okay, so installation. Yep. Just need this and go get this. This is an external package. And go mod. Alright, we're good here. Assert.true. Very nice. Love this package. This is a very simple package. I think this is the most simplest way to do it, because I know there's like table-based ones, or like just using the standard library, but this one seems pretty nice. I don't know. Anyways, let's test our freaking function, right? So we wrote a calculate delta. So I believe it takes in some match payload. Test match payload. Stink match, something like that. Okay, let's probably get rid of that. Match. Or I don't know. Let's call this match payload. And this has user ID. Let's do user ID. Oh god. User ID. Wait, why is this bitching right now? Do I have to do that? Wait, how do I initiate a struct? I'm kind of trash at this. Why? What? Yes, I was fucking right. Why is this being a bitch right now? I know the fucking thing works. Result. Okay, yeah. Result. Let's say this is a win. Test calculation. And then what else? And then this is crowns, so we'll say crowns. They got two crowns, right? Match payload. And and then I guess test. Wait, how do I use this documentation here? It's assert. So we'll do assert dot what's an example usage? Assert dot equal. Yeah, dot equal. Passing the t pointer and two values are true. So something. Let me first do the match payload thing. Wait, what's the difference between? What is the difference between assert dot new? Okay. Using assert in a standard test function. If you assert many times, use the okay, I guess we should do assert like this, I guess. Does it make a difference? Okay, why is this crying again? Oh, okay. Wait, first off, why are we getting a bunch of... Yes, that works. Okay, so let me use the calc delta, right? And match payload. This will return it in 64, so value or delta or test delta result, expected delta. For this one, well, okay, I actually don't know. Well, okay, let's do this. I'm writing a dumb one, so test delta. Yeah, less or equal. Okay, let's do that. Less or equal, right? So less or equal is, yeah, the first element is less or equal to. So since it's a win, I need to be less than or equal to 36, right? Or I think 34, I think. Let me double check the specs here. If it's a win, I believe it's 34. Yeah. Yeah. So leaderboard test. And yeah, I'm gonna make a few more. So func test delta calc, or I guess what else we do? We need to make sure. Yeah. I definitely need to set up a mock server. I'll probably do that like next time, but let's just test this out. Um, go test. Alright, go test dash v the leaderboard. Internal. Leaderboard. Fail. Okay, how do I set this? How to set up tests for Golang. Wait, hold on. Does the Gopher have something like this? God damn it, I don't know how to do this. So, I think there's a make file here. Test. Okay, let's do that. So we'll do make file. Oh, so there's a test already. Never mind. So now let's just make test. Okay, it failed. Perfect. Okay. Go test or the leaderboard test here, or leaderboard test. So we have here. Okay. Run test duck declaration error trace elements should be the same type. Oh yeah, that makes sense. So let's make this an int, or int 64 calculation, and write that. Wait, test. I'm getting a int 64. So int 64 with an int 64. Did I save this, or what's going on here? 18? Max delta, which is 34. Min delta. For a win. Let's do max delta. Dude, can we just... That's fine. Int 64, or just convert this to an int, I guess. Do max delta. Do another one for greater than. Is there a greater than? Greater or equal, yeah, let's do that. Greater or equal t max delta, or should be min delta. And we'll just test delta calculation for test delta calc in range. Okay, so I keep getting something about the same type. I don't know why it's bitching about that. This is an int. Oh. Wait, what does this take? It takes anything, right? Oh, shit. Hold on. It is because of the way I did it. Oh, okay, that makes sense. So I don't need to, I see. So that's why. So we get rid of the T pointer. And then, Oh, I failed. Greater than, wait, what is greater or equal to? The first element is greater than or equal to the second, yeah. Let me fucking convert this, because I'm expecting it. I'm not trying to convert the, like, result. That makes no sense. The result should be unchanged, because I'm going to use it like this. I'm going to do int 64 here. So int 64 here. Calc delta, Yep, test min delta, max delta, min delta. Oh, shit. Yeah, it's to be less than or equal to the max delta, but greater than or equal to the... I should write this first, to be honest. Whoa. Okay, that's really interesting. Did I get some crazy value? Huh. Huh. Actually, very interesting. Where do we write the message? The message is after those two values. Test, or I guess... is not, test, yep. Okay, so this is why we test our functions. We're getting some fuck ass value here. Wait, let me see something. Test. Yeah, I knew it. Okay, so our calc delta is wrong. This is why we test. So what could be going wrong here? Okay, I think this is the problem. There should be a float 64 as well as float. I should probably get rid of this and just put 3.0 because I'm supposed to put from 0 to 1, not some massive value. Still failed. Oh, something wrong with the compiler. Oh. Let's do 3 is fine. Passed. Perfect. Okay. We'll write some more stuff, but anyways, see you guys tomorrow.